Hey guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to perform a modified Knots test. The very first question is what's the purpose of performing a modified Knots test? The purpose of performing this test is to help differentiate between different microfilaria. Whenever you make it, it creates a concentration of microfilaria, and then if your microscope has a micrometer on the lens, you're able to measure to differentiate between different types of microfilaria. So I'm gonna use these 6 ml white Fat Cat tubes. I'm gonna go ahead and untube them. Okay, I had to make a 2% solution of formalin. I went ahead and measured out 4.5 milliliters. So I'm putting these into each tube. Notice that I am wearing goggles and gloves. Can dispose of these properly. I have my anticoagulated blood, EDTA. I'm going to go ahead and measure out 0.5 and add that into each tube. Hey, bud. Okay, I'm adding that to one. Then I'm going to use a different syringe. Bye-bye. Okay, got that. I'm going to squirt that into this syringe. Okay, I'm going to dispose of these syringes. All out of anticoagulated blood, so I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to recap these guys. I'm going to go ahead and gently invert them. And now, just so you know, always label your tubes. And for this experiment, I have them labeled as modified Knots test. I went ahead and made two, so that way I have two balanced tubes. So I'm gonna press pause on the video and walk to my centrifuge. Okay, I'm here at the centrifuge station. I am putting them in different sides. And I am putting it in between 1,000 to 1,500, 1,500, and I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna spin it for 5 minutes, and I'll be back in 5 minutes to continue. Okay, you guys, so the centrifuge has stopped, so I opened the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and take out both samples. Got them right here. I'm moving to our wet table. Sorry, this is the ER floor. So I'm gonna place them right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and decant the supernatant. I'm at the wet table. Okay, so I have that left. I'm gonna add 1 drop of the new methylene blue. Okay, added that. I'm gonna swirl it around. Now I'm gonna use a pipette to move 1 drop onto a microscopic slide. Okay. Now I'm gonna put a cover slip on it, like that. And now I'm gonna go to my microscope. Okay, I'm putting it onto the stage, turning the microscope on. Start it on the lowest objective, raise the stage. Okay, I finally focused on the low objective, so I'm gonna go to the mid objective, and now I'm gonna scan the entire field, and then I'll go to the high objective. So with the formalin and the water that I used to make the solution, they would have lysed the cells. So I'd be looking for any type of parasite or microflaria. And they would be immobile due to the new methylene blue stain. And I'm just changing the fine focus. Okay, scanning through.
So our PCV and
Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the high objective.
that was the biggest one that I had noticed.
And I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and scan the slide.
Everybody does that.
And if I notice any type of microflaria, which I don't right now, I would have to differentiate it between the different types of morphology that there are. So like I would look at the tail, I could look at the head, I could measure it if my lens had a micrometer on it, but I didn't see any, so the test was negative for microflaria, meaning there were no heartworms in there in this specific sample. Thank you.